Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Newton's first law of motion. If you like my video and this type of content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start our video with title Newton's first law of motion. First question of this topic is what is Newton's first law of motion? What does Newton's first law of motion state that? Newton's first law of motion states that every body in the universe to be in a state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless any external or unbalanced force is applied on it. According to the Newton's first law of motion, only external force applied on a body can change its state of rest or state of uniform motion along a straight. We can say that every body in the universe try to maintain the state of rest or of uniform motion until an unbalanced or external force is applied on it. As Newton's first law of motion consists of three parts, we will start from first part of Newton's first law of motion. A. First part. A body at rest remains at rest unless some external force is applied on it to change its state of rest. For example, a football on the ground remains in the state of rest and unless a player kick it. This example states that a body at rest tries to maintain its state of rest until any external force is applied on it. This is also applied on this example, like football on the ground is at rest on the ground and a football tries to maintain the state of rest. In this condition, a player applied external force or unbalanced force on the football. That's why it changes the state of rest and comes to the motion. B. Second part. A body in a uniform motion continues to move uniformly in a straight line unless some external force acts on it to change its state of motion. For example, a moving bicycle continues in motion unless an external force is applied on it. In this example, a bicycle moves continues to its state of uniform motion in a uniform direction or straight line until any unbalanced force is applied on it. If we apply brake, it will come to rest and change the state of motion. In this example, brake of the bicycle acts as unbalanced force or external force applied on the bicycle. C. Third part. A body continues to move along the same straight line unless some external force acts on it. For example, to turn a moving car over a straight road, we have to apply a force on the steering wheel of the car. This statement states that a body continues to move along a uniform direction or straight direction until any external force is applied on it. In this example, it said that to turn a moving object over a uniform direction or a straight line, we should apply force on the handle or steering of the object. We can also learn about Newton's first law of motion by using some examples. So, some examples related to the first law of motion are as follows. 1. A rotating fan continues rotating for a while although the switch is turned off. It is due to the inertia of motion. After some time, it comes to rest due to the frictional force. 2. When a bullet is fired on the glass pane window, it makes a clear hole without causing cracks in the glass. This is also due to the inertia of rest of the glass pane. 3. A person jumping out from a moving bus falls forward and gets injured. This is due to the inertia of motion of the body. 4. A book on the table remains in rest until and unless we displace or remove it by using our muscular force or any other external force. Conclusion. We define force as a pull or push which changes or tries to change the state of a body from rest to motion or vice versa. According to the first law of motion, only external force applied on a body can change its state of rest or state of uniform motion along a straight path. Hence, Newton's first law of motion defines force. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video and this type of content, please like, share and subscribe my channel.